nature, explorers. The same curiosity that sends us to the stars at the speed of thought urges us to go there in reality. And whenever we make a great new leap, we elevate humanity, bring people and nations together, usher in new discoveries and new technologies. So remember to look up at the stars and not down at your feet.
Right, welcome to Neptune. So Neptune, because of its vivid blue colour, was named after the Roman god of the sea. Its moons are also named after various lesser sea gods and nymphs found in Greek mythology. Now, as we know, Neptune is the furthest and smallest gas giant in our solar system, taking just under 164 years to complete one orbit around our sun. So that's quite a long time. Since being discovered in 1846, we have really only seen the planet do one orbit so far. And its distance is so great that it actually takes light from the sun 4 hours to reach the planet. So it takes the fastest thing we know, which is light, 4 hours to get to this planet, showing that our solar system is absolutely massive. And that's just the solar system alone, let alone, the Milky Way or the next universe. Now, like Uranus, the planet has a liquid layer of water, methane and ammonia, but with a hydrogen atmosphere that is affected by huge wind speeds of up to about 1,240 miles an hour, making it the strongest winds that the planet has. So these winds are mental. I mean, when do we get scared? On Earth, what? Don't go out, it's 30 miles an hour, maybe 50 mile an hour winds, 1,240 miles an hour. Crazy. So if we lived there, we would only see each other as we kind of just flew past each other, maybe throwing our lunches to each other. Now, the pictures we see of this planet and Uranus were taken back in 1989 when the Voyager 2 probe flew past the planets taking pictures, then carrying on out into the depths of the solar system. Now, Voyager 1 and 2 left Earth in 1977, one studying Saturn and Jupiter, the other Uranus and Neptune. They had kind of slingshotted past the planets, picking up speed from their gravity like a skier, almost slewing left and right downhill. Now, Voyager 2 flew past these two planets, which is Uranus and Neptune, taking pictures, gathering data, and today both have only just got to the very edge of our solar system. So just have a little think about that. I was born in 1982, so these ships have taken pretty much my entire life, plus a few years, and have only gotten to the very edge of our solar system. That is madness. And they were the cutting edge ships of their day. Just think about how fast they were going, slingshotting round planets, taking pictures of everything, gathering data, and have only just now got to the very edge of our solar system and kind of pushing out into maybe real space. Now, you can see the farthest planet here on Earth with a telescope. You're probably going to need a nice dark, clear, moonless night to go hunting for it. I'm not going to say it's easy. It's quite difficult. I only seen it once, I think, and my friend actually had a go-to telescope which actually got us in the right area on its own. So that's a computerized one that knows where it is and moves and looks to where it goes. There were some stars. We could see the stars. They were twinkling. There was this little sort of dark blue blob just floating there in space, almost like a marble, as I always say. And that was Neptune. So Neptune, you can see the furthest planet, which is now the last planet. It wasn't when I was a kid, so make sure you listen to the talk about Pluto. Just using mirrors, maybe a lens, out in your gardens, looking up at the sky, you can see this planet, takes 4 hours for light to reach, and we can still see it out there floating in space. So good luck, clear skies, and remember, there's a billion worlds in your back garden.